and today we're opening up toy mini brands. Let's open them up. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe. Come on. No. Spices like oranges. This one. This is a little mini brown toy. This is Roblox, and it's strawberry from Roblox. This one. Nobody! I have this bigger. I have this but bigger. I have a real one of these. Finger ring! Sound my little finger. Cute, it's monkey. Okay, going to do this one because look, I see yellow. Wonder what it is. Come on. What is this? Oh, you guys know that little thing? Like walls, like you have to drag on the ground? That's what this is. What about this right right here? Well, let's do another ball. Put that over there. I think I need some help with this. Let's take over the table. Me version. I do not need that. Got another handbag. Can't believe I got a duplicate of that. Can't believe it. Okay, I'm gonna open. Ow. That hurt, mister. I actually saw this at Target. When we were at Target. When we were getting all these. And there's a mini one! This is pink. That fell. Look, it's crayons. A crayon box. Frisbee. Shimmer and shine. A shimmer and shine doll. Ooh, that was easy. I just popped that one out. Ooh, just pop them out. There we go. That was easier. That was actually much easier. Okay. And the crack. Ooh, got a dinosaur. Look at it. It goes like that. And look. Dee-dee. Look, you can actually see what you got. It's a unicorn surprise stuffed animal. And they actually have one of these for the very old version. We don't have this one yet. Ninja Turtles. Ooh. Blaze, so you have to build this. So you have to build Blaze truck. It's the toy mini rounds like I'm opening. I got a mini round in my mini round, and this is actually the same ones. So these are the ones like I'm opening. Just in case if you guys overgot the package, this is what the package looks like. Look, this is the big one, and this is the small one. They look just alike. I opened 3, and no way I hope I get one. What is this? Oh, water paint. It's so tiny. Aw, we got a duplicate. We got a frisbee. We got a duplicate. Shimmer and shine. Oh, this is the shimmer and shine. No, this is ponies. No, wait. This is the shimmer and shine pony set. Yeah. I do not have this one yet. So I'm a dinosaur. This one kind of got really squished because it's a small spot. It's small or big. Small one for a big one. Here's my finger. Oh, I got another duplicate. More water paint. I can't believe I got water paint and I got water paint in the same two. A monkey. We got a monkey fingering, and now we got a sea unicorn something. I've got one of these animals all caught, but they go in the ocean with the, unicorn horns. I call them unicorn whales, but. Oh, we got a duplicate. Another SpongeBob. That's SpongeBob. Oh, we got another duplicate. We got another duplicate. Okay, another dinosaur. Hello. Ooh. Knock, knock. Eee. Ah. I can't always see it. I'm gonna open this one. What is this sandal? What is this? I know this is. No, this is not. What is this? Oh, this is a Nickelodeon toy? Nickelodeon toy. That's an old cartoon. This one I hope is a rare because this one's my last one in this world, and I only have one more ball. And we have one more ball. And one more ball. Duplicate. It's the lazy toy again. Guys, this is our last ball. We have to get away. Fingerling. But look, this one's a dragon fingerling for boys. Yeah. Dragon fingerling. Which I knew it. It's like a Star Wars toy. Yep. Star Wars toy, I think. Oh, it's a robot. We got a shopping cart. We got a duplicate, guys. This was the first ever one I opened. We got another Ninja Turtle. Look, this is the 2-hand carts. Oh, they actually work. These have real wheels. There we go. Okay. And here's a shopping cart. Favorites on the Maybe in the studio. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And